Billions of years ago, Mars looked very different from what we see today. Instead of a dry, dusty world, it had flowing rivers, vast lakes, and possibly even oceans stretching across its surface. It may have even looked a bit like Earth. But today, Mars is a cold, barren desert. There's no liquid water flowing on its surface, just dry valleys and frozen remnants locked in ice. It's like a planet that lost something essential. If you've seen images of Mars, you might have noticed channels and patterns that look like dried-up riverbeds. These features are clear signs that water once moved across the planet, but now it's gone. So what happened to all the water that once existed on Mars? The answer begins deep inside the planet itself. Early Mars likely had a molten core that generated a magnetic field, just like Earth has today. This magnetic field acted like a protective shield. It deflected the solar wind, a stream of charged particles constantly flowing from the sun. As long as this shield existed, Mars could hold onto its atmosphere and maintain the pressure needed for liquid water. But over time, Mars cooled down faster than Earth because it's smaller. As its core cooled, its magnetic field weakened and eventually disappeared. That's when things started to change dramatically. Without that magnetic protection, the solar wind began to hit Mars' atmosphere directly. Slowly but continuously, it stripped away gases into space, thinning the atmosphere over millions of years. As the atmosphere became thinner, the surface pressure dropped. And without enough pressure, liquid water can't remain stable. It either evaporates quickly or freezes. So the rivers dried up, lakes disappeared, and oceans vanished. Some of the water escaped into space as vapor, while some became trapped as ice beneath the surface or at the poles. You can think of it like opening a bottle in a vacuum. Without pressure, liquid water doesn't stay liquid. It rapidly turns into vapor or ice. Mars essentially became a low-pressure world where water couldn't survive in liquid form. This process didn't happen overnight. It took billions of years, slowly transforming Mars from a potentially wet planet into the dry world we see today. Yet, traces of that ancient water still remain. Frozen ice, underground reserves, and surface patterns all tell the story of a planet that once had flowing water. So when you look at Mars now, you're not just seeing a lifeless desert, you're seeing the remains of a world that changed dramatically over time. A reminder that even planets can lose entire oceans if the conditions that support them disappear. Like, subscribe, and if you've ever been curious about this, check the description for more.